Hello, friends and followers. This is Mike Bustamante. Today, our topic is about earnest money deposit. The earnest money deposit is what you put into escrow when you get your offer accepted on a property. Before we get started, I want to remind you that you can follow me on all the socials, either at mikebelieves or at mike.bustamante. Let's talk about the earnest money and why it is so important in real estate. The earnest deposit is the way for the buyer to show the seller just how serious they are about purchasing the property. The dollar amount for earnest money is typically 1% of the purchase price, although you'll see more serious buyers putting down 2 to 3% of the purchase price. I've seen it a little higher and I have seen it a little lower. Usually I see most agents when they submit an offer, they keep it around 1% of the purchase price. When a buyer submits an offer to the seller of the property and the seller accepts that offer, the buyer has 3 business days to get that money into title. The title company will hold that earnest money throughout the remainder of escrow until that property closes. The earnest money is usually applied to the down payment of the property. Now that we're talking about earnest money, I want to bring this up because it's very, very vital and very important so that you as the buyer don't lose your earnest money. I do get a lot of concern from buyers worried about losing the earnest money if anything were to happen. This is why it's very vital that you have an experienced professional assisting you through the home buying process, because things do happen. Things come up and there's going to be situations where there's too much wrong with the property and the buyer just doesn't want the property, or whatever the case may be. If you have proper representation, the professional should be able to protect you so you don't lose your earnest money. If you find this video important, tell your friends and family to watch. Until next time, this is Mike Bustamante, and that's spelled Bustamante. And remember, you can follow me on the socials, either at mikebelieves or mike.bustamante. Have yourself a great day.